Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Ruchira Papers Limited. This is the monthly chart of Ruchira Papers Limited. Actually, this stock has a good balance sheet and financials is good, and the stock is currently trading in a good volume and it broke a downtrend, so it's good to go long in the stock. And currently the stock broke the 50-day moving average, exponential moving average in the monthly chart, so it's really good to go long after a small retracement. But the stock gave a breakout on lower time frame, so let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So this is the monthly chart of Ruchira Papers Limited. One can go long in the stock because look at the volume. It is a most traded volume in the stock. In this month, the stock was very much active than any other months, so one can go long in the stock. And let me draw the major confluence area that govern the stock. So this can be taken as the major confluence area. I consider it as a confluence because look at the prices reacted at this place. So this is a reaction to this same spot, and this is also a reaction to the same spot. In such a spot, the stock is trading higher with low sellers and with a great volume. This is the most highest volume in the stock, so it's a good time to buy this stock. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. So in the weekly chart, the stock shows some weakness because look at the candle. The candle is tried to move higher and higher. It went to the price range of 100. 100 is mostly a psychological resistance for everyone. So the stock started falling and fell to the price range of 93, which is almost a 7% downfall from the top. So it's good to go long once the stock places above the price range of 100 to 105. 105 can be taken as an entry because it vanishes all odds if the stock placed above the price range of 105. So one can go long if the stock prices above the price range of 105. Look at the volume is very good, so one can go long because when the stock moves in a higher side, if the volume is also good, then one can expect a continuation of the same trend. So it's good to go long in the stock, and currently the stock is making a roller coaster momentum on the 50-day moving average, and it broke the all odds in the near term. So it's good to go long in the stock above the price range of 105. So one can put the stock on the radar, and one can expect a huge up move on the breakout of 105 range. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the chart further and to analyze the price entry and targets for the stock. So before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So this is the daily chart of Ruchira Papers. The paper industry is always good because in current time the paper industry itself gave a breakout from a huge resistance, so it's good to go long in these stocks. And right now there is a small weakness shown in the chart. Actually the chart is forming a good higher high and higher low formation, so currently the stock lost its upper side momentum, so one can expect a small fall from here. It's almost a fall for 2 to 3 percentage because the stock will take rest after a small momentum. So the stock will come to the range of 83 to 85, so one can expect the price range to fall till the price range of 85, which is almost 0.618 retracement in Fibonacci. After the stock breaks the price range of 100 and 105, one can expect a price target of the price range of 130 because the next resistance is only at 130, and 130 price range can be taken as the first target for the stock. And just enter the trade only if the stock breaks the price range of 105 with good volume and with less sellers. And if the stock breaks with good volume but the sellers are dominating the market, then one should be cautious before entering the trade. The stock is currently making higher highs and higher low formation. It's good to go long, but be cautious on taking trades because financial markets are very dangerous if you use it without a proper knowledge. So make sure you place trade above the price range of 105 to 108 and take entry and one can place the target at 130 price range, which is almost a 20% upside from the entry price. So one can analyze on your own and take trade. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.